Oh my god, did you just see that? Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Good morning, evening or afternoon wherever you are in the world. I hope you are having a great day so far. I just want to say a massive thank you to all the response that I received on my last video regarding my mum. She is okay. She didn't hurt herself when she fell off her bike. But thank you for all leaving lovely messages on that vlog. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, the video will be linked down below. And it was when we went to Center Parcs as a family. My mum fell off her bike because she was too busy looking at a deer and she forgot that she was on her bike. So if you want to see my mum fall off her bike, then don't forget to click the link down below and check out my last video. In today's video we are going to be testing out Primark eyelashes. I've got two types of eyelashes for today. So the ones that we've got today are the Disney Beauty and the Beast eyelashes. They were £2 and they were volumizing, and the eyelash glue is not included in this. So I'll just show you those. So that's what they look like. I have no idea what they're going to look like. I haven't seen anyone wear the Primark ones before. And then the next ones that I've got are the Primark individual lashes. They look like this. And they were £1. I've never used individual lashes before, so I have no idea what I'm doing regarding them. These also don't come with any adhesive, I don't think, but we'll find out later in the video. The reason I got these is because one of my friends said that she got them from Primark, or she said she got them from Pennies, which is the Irish version, so I'm guessing that they're exactly the same, to be honest with you, but we'll give them out a go as well. Yeah, I normally wear the eyelure, I can't even say it, the eyelure, whatever they're called, lashes, sort of 201, or which is dramatic, or volume 100. I think I've worn volume 101 before as well. Oh my god, did you just see that? That just fell off. Lucky nothing smashed. So yeah, I will be using the glue from the eyelure, however you say it, lashes, as neither of the Primark ones come with any glue, I don't think. If you enjoy videos like this, reviews, makeup hauls, all of that jazz, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, because I regularly upload videos like this, and a lot of it recently is testing the Primark beauty products. In my last video we tested out the Primark lip kits, the ones that look like Kylie Jenner's ones. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell so you know when I next upload a video like this. And yeah, that's it, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the ones we're going to be testing out first are the Beauty and the Beast ones. This is what my eyelashes look like naturally. Don't know. That's what they look like naturally. So yeah, we'll just have to see how these ones go. The first thing that I notice about them is, I will just hold them up to the camera. So the first thing that I notice about them is, can you see on the edges, it kind of goes over a little bit, so I think I'm going to have to trim these ones down.
Let me just, okay, so they're sticky.
What? I'm so confused. There's no nothing, but they are actually sticky from where they've been attached to the box, and I don't know whether you can use that to stick onto your eyes. No, I'm not gonna go with that. So first off is I'm gonna trim them down a little bit. They're just stuck to my fingers. Okay, I'm already not a fan of these. Right, let's get the eyeliner glue. Away we go. Okay, this is ridiculous. Oh my god, I have never worn eyelashes this big before. This is absolutely crazy. Time for the other one. There's just no structure to them. I don't know if you can really tell, but to me it just seems like they're sort of straight, whereas your eye actually curves round. If you compare them to the EYELASHES ones, you can see this is the PRIMARK one and this is the EYELASHES one.
Yeah, it's just fallen off.
That is both of them next to each other. The PRIMARK ones are just straight, whereas the EYELASHES ones actually curve to your eye. Okay, so, oh my god, now the sun's come out. It was literally just hailing a second ago. Okay, so this is them on. Personally, they are too much for me, and I wouldn't go out like this. But actually, if you were going on a night out, you could actually get away with these, I think. They were harder than the EYELASHES ones to put on. Purely because they were sort of straight rather than curved to your eye. Actually, the more I look at them, the more they're okay. The only thing is they're bothering me sort of in the corner of my eye, so I think they're too long. So I'd probably have to cut them down a little bit more if I was going to wear them again. That's probably the problem of them, because I can't get them to sit as close to my lash line as I would like them to. But actually, the more I look at them, the more they're okay actually. So I probably rate these about a 6 out of 10, to be honest with you. But I don't think you would be able to reuse these. But yeah, 6 out of 10. They're very thick. They just fill out your eyelashes. Definitely not a daytime lash though, definitely a nighttime lash. So let's take these bad boys off and we will get on to the individual lashes. This is probably where it all goes wrong because I've never worn individual lashes before. So stay tuned to laugh at me. Okay, apologies everyone for the light change in the video. The sun has just come out, and because I'm filming this in the day, it's not something that I can control, unfortunately. But so we're going to try these ones now. I'm gathering that the ones at the bottom here, the longer ones, are going to go on the outer corner, and then maybe we just do one of each level and just sort of go across. So I'm not even going to bother doing the other eye because I already know that I'm going to take these off straight away. But this is what they look like. So this is my natural mascara and this is the individual ones. I realise they look absolutely sort of terrible at the moment, but anyway, yeah, I realise they look absolutely terrible at the moment, so I'm just going to quickly take them off again. Okay, so my thoughts on these lashes are, I actually do quite like them. I know they look terrible on me, but I actually get the point in them because you can put as many on as you want or as little on as you want for the effect that you want. So if you wanted a fuller effect, you could put more on. If you only wanted a few just to make your eyelashes a little bit longer and open them up a little bit, then you don't have to put as many on. I know I only did one eye. I took them off straight away because it looked absolutely terrible. I definitely think with these individual lashes, it's a skill that you need to practice putting them on. I probably will wear them again at some point, but for the majority of the time I am just going to stick to the strip lashes. I think the individual ones were better than the Beauty and the Beast ones. Purely for the quality of the lashes. The Beauty and the Beast ones didn't feel sort of as good, and for wear usage as well. Obviously I don't really think you could wear the Beauty and the Beast ones more than twice at maximum, so probably only once, and these individual ones you can only wear once. So for the price of them, I would definitely get the Primark individual lashes if you were going to go for individual ones, just because of the expenditure. These are only £1 and I actually don't think they would look any different to the individual lashes that sort of other brands do, like EYELASHES. But if you were going to go for the strip lashes, then definitely go for the eyelure ones, because you can't fault them and they feel so much more comfortable on your eyes than the Primark ones were. So for the individual ones, I am going to give them a 7 out of 10, I think. I can't rate them any higher because I haven't tried individual lashes of any other company. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video of me testing out Primark lashes, and if you want to see more of this content, don't forget to subscribe, and I do already have some videos up like this, so don't forget to check them out. They will be linked down below, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye guys. Hi guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, and follow me on my Instagram at Meg Lev_. They'll all be linked down below. Bye! I'm so hot, I'm so hot.